Hello, tech enthusiasts and business moguls. Welcome back to our channel RB Creators Media. Today, we are diving into a topic that's been making waves in the digital marketing realm, that is the Apple advertising platform. Get ready to explore how this innovative platform is transforming the way businesses reach their target audiences. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you are always up to date with the latest insights. Let's check each aspect of the Apple advertising platform. 1. The Apple ecosystem advantage. Apple's advertising platform harnesses the power of their vast ecosystem. From iPhones to iPads, Macs to Apple Watch, it offers businesses unparalleled access to a diverse and engaged user base. 2. Precision targeting with privacy. Privacy is a cornerstone of Apple's approach. Their advertising platform enables businesses to target audiences based on interests, behaviors, and demographics while respecting user privacy. 3. App Store visibility. The Apple advertising platform gives businesses the opportunity to showcase their apps at the top of the App Store search results, boosting visibility and driving app downloads. 4. Search ads for discoverability. Apple search ads ensure your app appears when users search for relevant keywords, placing your business in front of potential customers actively seeking your products or services. 5. Creative opportunities. From captivating app previews to visually appealing ad creatives, the Apple advertising platform provides tools to showcase your business in an engaging and memorable way. 6. Attribution and measurement. Accurate measurement is key, and Apple's platform offers robust attribution and measurement tools, allowing businesses to track the effectiveness of their campaigns and optimize accordingly. Expert interview on the significance of the Apple advertising platform. The Apple advertising platform empowers businesses to connect with their ideal customers seamlessly, thanks to its precision targeting, privacy-centric approach, and integration within the Apple ecosystem. Now, let's dive into some examples of businesses that have leveraged the power of the Apple advertising platform. Example 1. Brand X App Install Campaign. Brand X utilized Apple's platform to launch an app install campaign. With precision targeting, they achieved a 50% increase in app downloads within the first month. Example 2. Brand Y Product Launch Campaign. Brand Y leveraged Apple's app previews to create excitement around a new product launch. The visually engaging previews led to a 30% boost in pre-orders. In conclusion, the Apple advertising platform opens a gateway to a world of possibilities for businesses. It's a tool that combines innovation, privacy, and audience engagement to drive remarkable results. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and share it with fellow entrepreneurs and marketers. Stay tuned for more tech and marketing insights. Do follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Link mentioned in the description. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy advertising on the Apple platform. We'll catch you in the next video. Thanks for watching.